Alright guys, we're back here again today with the sled. I've done everything to my knowledge. I have replaced the reeds, reed boots, rebuilt the carburetors, put a new fuel pump in it, put a new stator in it. Still, when you get above 7,000 RPM, the machine just falls on its face like it runs out of gas. So, took it down to the shop, $400 later, they tell me they don't know what's wrong. Everything's perfect. They tested vacuum, they've tested leak down, fuel pressure, spark. They thought maybe it was my cluster. Program was wrong in it or something. So we switched that out. Luckily they had one for me to test. Still not the problem. Remember that video I had where the engine mount was moving? I think the engine is flexing when I hit the throttle, causing a knock, shutting down the system. So we're gonna replace that today. And if that ain't the problem, I'm thinking from all the flexing from this motor mount missing, might have broke the wire in the harness. So we'll have another wiring harness to put in if that don't work. Let's get this started. We're gonna put an engine mount in. All right, she stripped back down again for about the 6th time, minus the time it's been in the shop. That was the motor mount I was talking about right there. It's all stripped out. You can't get a bolt in it. So the engine, when she moves, she moves. You know? Right, I'll take the little pliers here and be able to move it. That is no good. I think that is causing a knock or something of that sort and screwing everything right up. We'll find out soon. All right, switched out the motor mount now. And to do so, you gotta take this one out so you can rock the motor forward. Get it up and over these spikes. They're sticking up, threads, because they're come through the wall, tunnel, whatever. All right, let's put it back together. All right, people. It said it could possibly be the motor mount. I changed it. Let's see if she can hold over 7,000 RPM. That ain't the problem either. Ooh. All right, guys. I just watched a YouTube video and the guy was having the same problem I was. So this is your DPM sensor. So I disconnected it, as you can see. Right there, right? Check this out, guys. I'm not gonna friggin' believe this. Let's get that together. That back on. Come on. Where are you? There. That's back on. Check it out, boys. It's a goddamn DPM sensor this whole time.